devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand. Call
What's going on, guys? Check this out. I'm fixing to install Square D whole house surge protector. It's not gonna be set up the way I wanted it to be at first because it's the way my house set up, the breakers, and I don't feel like doing a whole bunch of more stuff that I would have to do the way. So, this how it is. In my main outside, it has like 4 breakers in it. I think. Let's go like for the AC units. We got like AC units upstairs, AC units downstairs, AC handler upstairs, AC handler downstairs. Then it got one that go out to the a box adjacent to it, and it's got more like AC units and all on it. That's pretty much what's outside. And I got 2 on there that I don't even know what they go for. I'm thinking one maybe be a main. I'm not sure. And there's another one. I don't know what it do. But that's all. Now, when I bought this house, I installed my standby generator. So to do that, you have to take the breaker box with all your circuits in it and transfer them to this new transfer switch on your generator, right? So when I did that, it has like circuits for the whole house pretty much. Every room have light in it if in the event of a power outage. And those are like important circuits. So I'm gonna put this whole house surge protector. Hopefully that it'll cut out some of the bad energy that comes in through the generator, which I don't think it will. I don't think it cut out because the generator puts out bad energy that will possibly mess up your electronics. You have to have a inverter generator in order to have clean DC coming up out of there and AC coming up out of there. You gotta have one of those kinds. I got a small one like that, but it's small, it's just for backup of the backup. So I wanted to get an EMP shield. It's just a name brand, y'all. But as doing the research of the EMP shield, it protects on all the surges that can come in. It protects on a lightning strike, pretty much not directly, but if it happens like down the way on your line and it come down, it pretty much hit right there. But they do third-party testing. They also say it protects against the EMP. I don't think so, but they say it do. And who can test that right now? So that'll be on you if you buy it for EMP, electromagnetic pulse. If you buy it for that and think that it's going and it don't work, that's on you. But it protects for all that other stuff. And it's a good one for all that other stuff. It's pretty sturdy too. I got an older video where I installed one on a lady vehicle. Actually, I did 2 of vehicles, but I did one on video. It's supposed to protect her vehicle from an electromagnetic pulse. And I'm like, I don't get it. I don't think it's gonna work, but it's on her. So I'll show you when I go upstairs the transfer panel and the equipment I'm putting on. It should be very much straightforward. I haven't opened it yet, but I know it's gonna be straightforward. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, this is what I got. Square D surgerist. And I got a double pole 30 amp type QP breaker. I think you can use a 15, 20, or 30. I elected to go with 30. This 25 KA. The minimum is they ask for is 10 KA. And it goes up to, I can't remember. But I should have got the 80. But hey, I wasn't for sure about this junk right here because, like I said, the way it's wired. Now, let me show you what I got to go to. Okay, you see that black dot up there? That's where I'm hoping to come in at. And this is the panel I installed in the closet. So I'm gonna take this out right here, this 40. I'm gonna take it out, replace it with that 30, and wire it to it. Let me show you what I got to work with, y'all. Matter of fact, let me see what this okay, I got this on my drill. This it's supposed to help protect you up to 1,000 volts. I also got a screwdriver. It's insulated. It protects 1,000 volts. See, if you stick it, because I'm a person that work on live stuff, and I advise you people never to work on live electrical loads. But back in my old days when I went to school for this stuff, we worked on live. Well, it wasn't live. It was the students. We had like this frame set up, and you go and get a diagram and wire it up. But then they'll come by and flip your breaker on, and then you add and you like, shock you to death. You know, not to death, but it shock you. But it wasn't but a 110. That there is a little more than 110. But we're gonna be careful. There's a story I could tell about one time before I was hooking up a light, a swag light that hang. And what I did was, I was like, oh man, it's a little too long. And I went and cut that wire live. It shit, pow! It almost blinded me, see? Yeah, I got that. I got these wire cutters, crimpers. And I got this, trusty, you know what it is. Stripper. And I hope I don't have to use this step bit right here. Hope that hole is big enough, and if not, this don't seem like it's big enough either. And I had to make the hole bigger. So let me take my 10mm socket and get this panel off. Get these screws out of the way. Don't want them lost. Like I said, y'all, this is a live load. I would say y'all should do this by calling somebody who know what they doing. That's an electrician to do this for you anyway. All right, let me pop this out. I hope you're big enough. I need a screwdriver. And then my phone ring. And it's my wife ringtone. How can I help you? Okay, y'all. The hole was just right. Just right size. And there it is. Put my lock nut back on. Psych. I better quit playing because I'm pretty much home alone doing this. Ain't nobody gonna be to save me. We're only for nobody to save me anyway doing stuff. So it is what it is, y'all. Why won't you go on here? It wants me to get shocked. It wants me to stick my hand in here and touch something. Because the food didn't cut out the power. Come on, man. It's like side threading, cross threading. All right, let's get them going. Come on. Cut it out. I'll just be damned. There we go. Boom. Sorry. All right. I'll make sure I can put my LEDs up front so I can read them when I need to if anything go wrong. Take this screwdriver, tighten it down. I think I mentioned too that I installed one of these on my new air conditioning unit. It wasn't this kind. It was one for AC unit. So if you need that info, go to a couple videos before this. All right, what we're gonna do? When I had the camera off, I pre-measured what I need. I just ran this down sideways. Like I said, I'm going to here. So I'm gonna cut off what I don't need. Cause y'all actually, you want this wire as short as you can get it. I mean, because you don't need it having to travel a long way before it start doing this duty. Now both of these black wires, they do the same thing. So it doesn't matter which one goes on which side of the breaker. That just gave you an easy way out right there. Strip off enough of this. Come on now, let's stop grabbing. Okay. Got some wire stripped off. Now, I'm gonna run this neutral. How? I'm gonna run this neutral back behind everything. Trying to make the shortest route. Make it neat. Trying to take the shortest route to this neutral bar over here. So that's where your white wire is gonna go. To the neutral bar. Boom, boom, boom. Turn it like that. Chip off what we don't need. Strip them back. Which one we can stick them in? Doesn't matter. Tighten your wire down. Screw along with the 9 river. Tug test. Tighten them a little more. Boom. Get your stuff back in there like you had it, like neatly. All right, all right. Now I see this 40 coming out. It's already off because it's useless anyway. This thing is not live. That's live. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna put some wing nuts on here, just for the hell of it. Get that out of the way. Cause I'm gonna tuck it back in the box anyway. All right, we'll get our new 30 amp double pole breaker. It's already open. Okay, like I said, it don't matter which goes where. I'm gonna have to tighten this up. Yeah, this thing kind of tight, y'all. Tug test, tight. Tug test, and tight. All right. Now, I'm gonna take this. I don't put no sharp bends in it. You don't use sharp bends in your electrical work. Try not to. I'm gonna tuck everything over here, out of your way. Stick this breaker back into this side. Pop it in. Boom. Him in. Now let's see. When I flip this on, as y'all can see, I got a total mess over here. I got a total mess. This is the old breaker box, y'all. I didn't do like I was supposed to. I said I was gonna come back and do it, which pop through this wall and come up through here so it'll be all pretty and everything and the way it's supposed to be, cause that is a bad thing, y'all. All right, let me cut off this light. All right, I'm gonna flip my breaker right here. Let's see it work. Boom. Do you know what that say? That says okay. Now if it was white or whatever color the other one is up there, it'll be replace it. But it said okay. This one. All right. Wing nut this off. Wire nut, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna put it back in this box. Call him home. Come on now, get in there, stay in there. Come on, now stop that. There you go. Put a cover back on. Just like that. Okay. And I'm gonna label this surge protector. I'm just gonna put surge on here. Surge. On number 2 and 4. 30 amp. And there you have it. Mount it. Back together. Okay, y'all, done deal. This was whole home surge protection, 25 KA. It has a 3-year, $30,000 US warranty on the, your stuff. It meets the 2020 National Electric Code stuff. All right, these features are protect home appliances and electronics, durable and compact design, flush. That's it. Like I said, you here because you probably want to do this yourself. If you're on this YouTube University, you probably want to do this yourself. As you see, that's how simple it was. Now, when it gets up bigger than this 25 KA, they will have a ground. And you will have to ground it to the metal frame, which they normally have a lug on it. Or you might have to make your own ground on that metal frame. Sometimes they get away with putting the grounds and the neutrals together on the same bar. I personally don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't think it makes sense in my world. It's my world though. I ain't got no. My world don't have a dog in the fight, but I don't. So I would say just grind it to the body of the box itself. But this here was a 3-wire. The other ones are 4-wire, I believe, or anything bigger than this one. And I would tell you to get one bigger than 25 KA. But I've been going all these years good. So I'm like, 25 KA is good enough. Which is probably not. I'm going to be the one that got just like that now. Because I installed it, y'all. Like, should have got the big one. And like I said, go check out EMP Shield. I ain't trying to endorse them or anything. But check out EMP Shield. And some of you preppers and whatever you are, you might like it because you're thinking of the EMPs and all that. But hit the subscribe button, please. That's all I ask of you. That's all. I mean, you ain't even got to come back again. Just hit the subscribe button. Maybe share this with your professional friend.